So how to invite your friends on Temu. Today in this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, of course, we go ahead and open the Temu app. And from there, tap on the U icon in the bottom right there. Now from here, tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. From here, tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts right there. You'll get a lot of options. I'm gonna choose the Lucky Flip one in the bottom, so I tap on Get Now right under it. From this screen, I should find this golden button in which when I tap on, I can get my code or my link. So I can tap right here to copy the code, but I always prefer to copy the link. Just like that, I have copied my link. Now from here, I can go ahead and find my friends that I want to invite. Let's say they're on Instagram. I go ahead and open the chat and paste the link that I have copied right there, and then I tap on send, and they can from there open the link from this conversation, and just like that you have invited your friends to Temu. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.